Okay, guys, today we're going to discuss about the word problem, the question on the workbook, yeah, for chapter 5, start from page 48 and so on. Because we don't deal with the basics, I assume that the basics is already uh, done, the concept. Okay, now we do the intermediate. So for our example, an exercise, okay, for number 16, ACE. So in this class, I will discuss about the right side, the left side of the class, the left side of the question, and even, right, left and even, remind me. And on the second class, left, right and odd number. Okay, so let's try. This is left and even, yeah. Please remind me whenever I break the rules. Left, even. So for number 16a, what you can do, simple. Just do the rainbow rule, each of them like this, and then put equal 12. So 15x minus 10 minus 7x, right? And then plus 7 equals to 12, right? So 15x minus 7x is, okay, just collect the like terms. 8x equals 12, minus 10 becomes plus 10, minus 7, plus 7 becomes minus 7. So 8x will be equals to 22 minus 7, 15, right? So x will be 15 over 8, that's all. Okay, don't do, oh, you have to change into a mixed fraction. Okay, that's it. B, oh, we deal with decimals, no problem. 0.3 times 4 is 1.2. Okay, minus 0.3 times 1 equals 0.8 plus x. Okay, so you put the unknown to the left side, 1.2x, the variables, I mean, minus x, 0.8 plus 0.3. So 0.2x, right? Because 1.2 minus 1, right? If you don't have any number, it is 1. And then 1.1. So how do you solve this? X equals 1.1. Don't think of the decimals yet, later on. And you can simplify by multiply this by 10 by over 10, right? So x would be 11 over 2. And 5, 1 over 2, right? We change into the mixed fraction. Not B, that's C. Okay, this is C. How to do E? Oh, we have bracket inside bracket. How can you do this? Again, you have to do it in order. Make sure that the order is 5x minus 5. So 2x subtract, still put the bracket here, 3, and put the cross the rainbow multiplication. 5x minus 25, right? Equals 10. And then you put the bracket also. Focus on the bracket. 3 minus 25. Oh, we can do this. 3 minus 25 is negative 22, right? Plus 5x equals 10. Since this is minus, pay attention. If minus, you change the sign, right? Minus 5x. And this is 2x equals 10. So 2x minus 5x is equals to negative 3x plus 22 equals 10. So negative 3x equals 10 minus 22. Negative 3x will equals to negative 12. So x will be negative 12 over negative 3. So x will be 4. Finish. That's for your first part of the intermediate question. Hard, yes, but it's still manageable and you still can do slowly but sure. You cannot do it fast, I know. Maybe you cannot do it fast, but you can do it right. Yeah. Don't think too fast, but think right. If you think right, you can practice, practice, and practice, and you can speed up your working. Okay, next. Number 16, first page is done. Okay, next. Uh, even and left, yeah, even left. Your part is even left, sorry. So, even left here, 18. Okay, even left. Wait, I have to write it down. Yeah. even left, and this will be your workbook sec 1 chapter 5 intermediate to new trend, intermediate, advanced, and new trend. Okay, done. Even left, pay attention here, even left, even and left. Okay, 18 now. So how do you do this? Okay, I think I need to give you some idea about number 17 still. Maybe I will do the harder one. IK. Okay, this is bonus. 17 IK. Because this is also important for you to understand. I move the key to the right side because it was I can do it vertically. Done. See, simple. Look at this. We have one number that has no fraction at all, the 4, right? So dibikin dulu. Change. 4 becomes 4 over 1. See, that's more simple to see. Everything is fraction is better than something that has no fraction, but the rest is fraction. Okay, so for number 17i, you have the different denominator. Equalize the denominator first. So focus on the left side first. 3 becomes 9, right? So 3x over 9, right? Wait, over 9, subtract brackets 7 bracket x minus 2. Double bracket. Why it has to be double bracket, guys? Because this is negative. So you have to put the bracket on all the sides, right? Equals to the blue color, be better. Times 6, right? Over 6, 24 minus bracket again, 2x minus 5. So I have to put the pressure on the bracket, yeah, the bracket on negatives. Okay, so 3x minus 7x minus 14, right? Do it slow, but sure. Slow, but sure. 24, open the bracket, negative 2x plus 5, minus 2x plus 5, I mean, over 6. And you can simplify this. 3x slow ya, ini slow banget. Banget slow. 24 plus 5, 29 minus 2x over 6. Jadi kalau mau skip some steps, terserah. Oke, 3x minus 7x. Nah, ini skip aja deh. Negative 4x dah, boleh ya? Udah, biar cepet aja. Aku udah merasa kelamaan. Nah, gitu ya tadi ya. Ayo tebelin sengaja biar tahu. Okay, so do the cross multiplication because we have the fraction on both sides. So 6 bracket negative 4x plus 14 equals 9 bracket 29 minus 2x. Almost done, and almost done. 24x negative. Gede banget angkanya. Ayo. Sebel lihat. 84, right? Equals 81. Udah males calculator. 261 minus 18x. Right? So put everything on the left side, unknown, negative 24x plus 18x equals 261 minus 84. Okay, so negative 6x equals to 7, 1. Benar nggak? Yeah. So x will be 117 over negative 6. Hitung kalkulator. Jelek jawabannya, negative 39 over 2. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting selesai.
Mister,
Yes.
what about like kalau sampingnya fraction terus satunya lagi gak fraction, tapi ada
Yang tadi
sign-nya di
over
tengah.
1 dipaksa.
Tapi
Ya.
tetap cross multiplication.
Iya, tapi sama ini nanti misalnya gini doang ya. Misalnya ya. Gini doang. Jadi lu taruh over 1. Terus cross multiplication biasa. Oke?
Ya, tapi gimana kalau ada kayak x di itunya?
Ada x-nya di bawah, sama cross multiply juga. Nanti ada tuh yang 18. number 18 ya. Ini juga ya guys, ini coba perhatiin ya. Kita habisin dulu ya number 17. Wah ini tuh gila banget. Ini ada fraction, tapi nanti dulu. Ini over 1 ribet. Ini 1 over 2 juga nanggung, ya kan? So I just want to simplify this. Boleh nggak ya tulis begini? Boleh ya, boleh banget. Masa nggak boleh? Over 2 kan? Atau kalau you mau gini. 3 over 2x plus 1, boleh. Ini minus 4 over 3x plus 1. Kenapa plus? Soalnya kan negatif ya. Boleh ya. So not a big deal. Ya, bebas. And then you tinggal collect the like terms, bisa juga. Ya ini lebih gampang kok kayaknya. So for x minus 3 over 2x minus 4 over 3x, I jarakin dulu ya. Mantap. Nah, lebih enak. Terus plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 langsungnya plus 3, boleh dong lu gabungin ini. Wah, diserap semua ke sini. Di absorb the power. 1 1 1 equals to 0. So for x minus 3, ini fraction nih, sih. Ya, kalau ini fraction mah gampang. Ini over 1, right? Terus diapain? Times 6 times 3 times 2. Right? So ini over 6 semua. 24x minus 9x minus 8x plus 3. Waduh. Oke, 3-nya gue buang ke samping. Jadi equals negative 3. Jadi semua cara bisa lu pakai ya, bebas ya. I give you the freedom to choose what you want to do. But this is my way. And you can use your way anyway. Okay. 24 minus 9, 15. 15 minus 8, 7. So, ini jadi kita gampangin aja. Cross, jadi 7x. Nah, ini 7x over 6 equals negative 3. Nggak ada fraction di kanan. Taruh aja 1. That's the best. Ya. Cross. 7x equals negative 18. Right? Langsung aja. Oh, wonderful pink. Negative 18 over 7. Berarti negative 2, 4 over 7. Tadi lupa. Ini jadinya negative 19, 1 over 2. Okay, that's it. What you can do. I'll send this to you. And let's do what Karin asked. Karin tadi nanya, kalau di bawahnya ada X gimana? Nah, ini number 18. How to solve this? Again, number 18A masih gampang. Kenapa gampang? Because we just put 7 over X. Selesai kan? Kenapa 7 over X? Soalnya kan dia udah sama tuh. Udah sama, ya udah. Equals 5 over 1. Then you do the cross multiplication. I do it horizontally. Ya. 7 equals 5x. Atau 5x equals 7. Terserah. Ya. Lebih suka 5x-nya di sebelah kiri. Better. Terus x equals 7 over 5. Oke. Yang sih gimana nih? 2x, 3x. Wah, beda nih guys. Ya udah lu samain. Times 3 biar jadi 6x kan. Kita kan tujuannya itu. Ya. So, ini jadi gampang dulu. Gue gak suka lihat ini. 1/5 over 6 jadi berapa? 11 over 6, right? Coret. Nah, baru kita proses. 21, ini kan over 6x nih sebelah kiri ya. Ini udah 6x nih. 21 plus 10, 31. Equals 11 over 6. Right? Baru di cross multiplication. Oh, tadi lupa kasih tandanya ya. Nih, tuh. Ini juga sama, cross multiplication. So, how you can solve that then? 31 times 6 equals, times-nya di tengah. Nah, gitu. Biar nggak point jadinya. 11 times 6x. Ya, you mau pelan juga nggak apa-apa. Ini jadinya 186. Kasih panah ya. Panah means another form, another level. Oh, x-nya gampang jawabannya. Enggak ada yang jelek. X equals 186 over 66 ya. 6-nya 66 you pindahin. Jawabannya 31 over 11. Oke, atau 2 9 over 11. Ini jawabannya. Since this is recorded, so you can look at this easily. Nah, yang ini gimana ya guys? One-nya, ya udah, one-nya lu pindahin. Jadi daripada you over one terus equals denominatornya 3x plus 5 mampus kan, itu susah banget kan. So you put the one to the right side better. Udah jadi lebih peaceful doing gitu. 3x plus 5 equals half. Ini minusnya di tengah ya. Nah, half minus 1, right? Lebih enak equalize denominator di sebelah kanan. So minus x plus 1 over 3x plus 5 equals, ini kan times 2 times 2. Negative 1 over 2 ya. Oke. 1 minus 2 kan negative 1. Nah, di sini kita bisa ngapain? Kita bisa cross negatifnya biar lebih gampang. So we can annihilate the negative. So tinggal begini. Karin, is it answering your question?
Yes.
Okay. So ini 2 x plus 1 1 times anything is and it's the number itself. So I don't have to put 1 at all. So 2x plus 2 equals 3x plus 5. So 3x minus 2x is x. Right? Oh, sorry. Ini mau pindah ke kanan juga boleh sih x, tapi I lebih prefer begini ya, guys, biar lebih enak ya. So x equals 3. Negative 3 ya dilawan ya, soalnya kan dia negative 1 ke sebelah. That's the answer. Okay. Number 18 done. 20 ya, even left ya. There you go. By showing verify x equals 4. Jadi belum kita proses x-nya masukin 4, nggak boleh. Tapi cuma ngecek bener nggak 4 gitu. Okay, the question is, kita ulang lagi bacanya. By showing you're working clearly, verify that if x equals negative 4 is the solution of the equation. So you don't have to put, you cannot put 4 first. Oke, kita masukin. Ini diapain? Wah, fraction semua ya guys. Tapi ini yang no variable, itu taruh ke kanan dulu. Ya. So negative 2x minus 5 plus 3x over 2 equals, ini gue gampangin dulu, 23 over 5. 32 over 5. Terus plus 2 ya. Over 1 dong berarti ya. Nah, yang sebelah kiri berapa kalinya? Kali 2, kali 2. Ini kali 5, kali 5. So, to make the denominator equal over 10. So, negative 4x plus 15x equals to over 5 times 5, right? Equals to 23 plus 10. So, 11x over 10 equals 33 over 5, right? And then what we can do is try to do the cross multiplication also. And x will equals to, kalau you nggak mau pakai desimal bisa juga nih guys. Nggak mau pakai multiply. Gini aja. Biar lebih peaceful kerjainnya. Sih, boleh ya. So x equals 33 times 10 over 55. Right? Terus bisa kita gampangin juga. 33 and 55 kan divide by 11, 3 and 11. 3 and 5. Terus 5 bisa jadi 1 and 2. Jadi x-nya jawabannya 6. Lebih enak kerjainnya. Ya, without calculator lebih enak. Ya, that's for number 20. Terus 22. Gampang sih. If x minus 1 over y plus 3, oh dikasih taunya y sama z-nya ya. Oke, you taruh y-nya 8, z-nya 2. I will copy this below, and I will change the y as 8. Every y as 8. See, gue udah malas mikir, udah malas tulis. Every z is 2. Oh, only one z. Ya udah taruh aja. Oke, berarti kita gampangin ya. X minus 1 over 11, x over 8 1 over 2. You see 11 and 8 gampang nih. Kalau 11 8 itu langsung kali 8, ini kali 8. 11 and 11, right? So 8x minus 8 over 88 equals to 11. Salah. Over. Kan 88 itu semua, bener gak? Ini negative 11x, right? Equals to 1 over 2. Ini digampangin 8x minus 11x langsung aja negative 3x. Ya. Sih, boleh kan? Boleh. Makanya tebelin gitu. So do the cross. Begini. 1 times 88. 88 itself. Ya. 88 plus 16 berapa? 104. So the x will be 104 over negative 6. Jawabannya negative 52 over 3. Kita bagusin. 17 1 over 3. Oke. Susah nggak? Banget. Harus bilang banget. Karena you belum kebiasa. But if you already get used to this, it will be only long, not hard. Panjang caranya. Iya, panjang. Tapi susah nggak? Enggak. Yeah, so I'm asking for your practice. Oh, okay, word problem now. Reveng. Oh, even left ya? Sorry. Kok 23 terus? Oh, ada yang kelompat. 37. Ya udah nggak apa-apa lah, sama aja sih. Kita cuma word problem aja sih ini. 38 ya. Tapi kita skip banyak aja, cuman karena terlibat terlalu banyak kalau nggak. The average of 4 numbers is 56. What is average? Average is the total numbers. Oke, tapi nanti aja, kita nggak usah pikirin ini. The first number is 5 more than the second. So, let's say the first number, pasti belum tahu ya. So, the first number is 5 more than second. So, for example, the second number is n. Berarti first number n plus 5, right? Clue pertama. The third number is half of the second. The third number is half of the second. Kenapa?
Enggak jadi kepencet.
Okay. The third number is half of the second. And the fourth number, I kasih warna lain-lain. It's 3 times the sum of the first and the second number. 3 times the sum of the first and the second number. Right? This is the first number and the second number. Okay? So, kita bisa simplify dulu. Ini n plus 5 nggak bisa diapa-apain. N juga nggak bisa diapa-apain. Ini n over 2 bisa ya. Nah, ini kan n plus 5 plus n, ini kan berarti 2n plus 5. Kita gampangin. And then you kaliin masuk. This will be not as hard as the post test ya. This is not as easy as, ya benar, post test lebih gampang. Ya. So, ini 6n plus 15. So, I have to prepare everything, right? So, the average of 4 numbers is 56. You lihat, ini semua average-nya 56. Jadi, kalau you tambahin semua, jawabnya 56 times 4, right? So, karena average of 4 numbers is 56, you tulis dulu ya. Berarti totalnya berapa? Ya, kali 4 kan? Itu rules-nya ya. Total number-nya 56 times 4. So 224. Okay, after you get that, the total number of what we get just now using the algebraic term is 224. So n plus 5 plus n, here, n plus 5 plus n plus 2 plus 6n plus 15 is equals to 224, right? So what you can do next is try to solve this slowly. we have the fraction here. Only one. See, that's super annoying. Only one fraction. That only one variables or only one term that has a fraction. So we can think of it later. Or we can just write half n. Balikin lagi. Atau boleh lah n over 2. Gak apa-apa. Ya, n plus 6n berapa? 8n kan? Right? Kita di sini aja pusingin. Oke. Equals to 2 to 4 minus 5 minus 15. Oke. Jadi di sini berapa nih, guys? Times 2, right? Jadinya berapa tuh? Pindahin ke sini. Sebenarnya bisa sih 8.5n, tapi biar lebih biar enak aja. 16n plus n equals 2 to 4 minus 5 minus 15 berapa? 204 over 1, right? Ya udah, ini kan 17n. Udah, lebih jadi gampang banget kan? And do the cross multiplication. 17n equals 408. Oke. Gitu. Divide 24, bagus banget. So n equals 24. So what is the number? The numbers are ini 24, terus 24 plus 5, half of 24, right? And then 3 times 48 plus 5. Oh, udah langsung aja. 48 plus 5 times 3. Langsung aja ya, 159 ya. So this is the final answer. Okay, hard. Yeah, this is hard. I cannot say that this is easy, but now you know the idea already. Okay. Ini finalnya. Bukan ini starting point, ini triggernya buat cari final gitu. Ya, this is the final answer. Oke, lanjut. Masih ada lagi. 39. No. 40. Okay, what is the largest number that satisfies the inequality of this? Oh, okay. Ini udah inequality. Ya. So, prepare yourself. Kita bikin. Find the largest rational number that satisfies this inequality. Oh, okay. Bikin dulu ya. Rapiin dulu ya. Largest rational number. Oh, gelap amat. Wait. Largest rational number. Later. We try to solve the inequality at first. I want to rewrite. Okay. Switch. 13 over 4. Okay. Now, what to do is make the denominator equal. This also times 2 times 2. Okay. Simple. 6, 4x minus x. 3x langsung. 4, 2 plus 13, 15. Yeah. And then what you can do now is try to do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Oh, belum. Kita bisa simplify dulu. 3 and 6. Oh, piece of cake. Jadi 2. Enak ya. Jadi ini 3, 6. Jadi 1. Ini jadi 2. So 1x times 4, 4x. Less than equals to 15 times 2, 30. And x would be, we don't have to change the sign because nggak usah ganti jadi inequality sign-nya karena dia nggak ada negatif. 30 divided by 4. So it is 7 1 over 2, right? Oh, bisa digampangin lagi. 15 over 2. Yeah, 7 1 over 2. Find the largest rational number that satisfies. Okay, so if you draw it in a number line, x is on the left side. Right? X is less than little. It's little. 7 1 over 2. So what is the largest rational number? Ya 7 1 over 2. Bukan integer ya. Kalau integer dia harusnya 7 aja. Ya. Kalau integer. So ini yang integer. Dia tanya rational, ya udah rational kan apa aja boleh. Ya. Ada yang mau nanya? Nggak ada ya?
Mister, kurasa nggak semua yang nonton videonya deh. Saya view-nya loh, harusnya bisa lebih dari 18.
Iya, semuanya kayaknya harus nonton deh. Ini nggak bakal bisa kalau sekali jalan gitu.
Iya,
I have to admit that this is cannot be done in only one time. Ini nggak usah ya, advance ini yang square nggak perlu dulu nanti.
tugas lain nonton 2 kali gara-gara
Jangan yang
masih
square
bingung.
jangan dulu. Ya, nggak boleh. Even ya, ini juga sama guys, ini perhatiin deh. Tapi nggak usah lah. Neutron juga kayak mirip-mirip ya sih, gampang-gampang. Ini equation semua nggak ada ini. Kita mau fokus ke yang equality deh, dikit-dikit soalnya kan. Ini deh, satu aja. One more. And sisanya, do your homework. I always give you the time to do the homework. So there is no excuse if you don't do the homework. Alasannya, I don't have the time, mister. Yang ngomong juga asal-asalan. I don't
Mister,
have the time, mister. Please give me time. I'm late because you have 30 minutes to do. Do the best. And you may ask me that in that 30 minutes. Yes, any question?
Mister, when is the due date of the homework?
The due date of the homework is on this Friday.
Iya.
I will open it later. I haven't opened the
Finally, you will open it after
Friday here.
meeting.
Friday.
This
This-
Friday?
Ya.
Iya dong, kan for A4B udah, A5B kan udah minggu lalu. Harusnya it's supposed to be done on last week. That's the problem. I see the problem in this class and in other classes, in all the classes I teach.
I've been waiting you know, to you
You
to
bikinnya
open it.
begini, after I finish teaching all the chapter, you baru mulai. Bener gak?
Enggak.
Makanya jangan gitu. Ada waktu do AB. Kan nanti kalau you bikinnya
Iya.
setelah I habisin semua, you AB lupa loh.
Iya, nanti setuju.
Iya, mendingan lu bikin udah dijelasin ada waktu lebih, you bikin sampai selesai kalau bisa.
Sebelum diajar yang baru nanti.
Iya, kalau diajarin baru lu bakal lupa pasti. That's
Iya.
that's
saya
how you
setuju.
learn. Ya, Candice, mind your time. Don't give me any excuse because
Jangan tanya saya gak ada waktu, ada tugas.
ya, jangan ntar ayah nanya gitu. Karin, have you done? Lu jangan nanya gue ya, Mr. Hans. Gue nggak lagi sibuk nih. Jangan lu.
Ya,
Ini
oke.
kita bikin begini dulu yuk. Beresin dulu. Ada loh murid dulu yang kayak gitu nanyanya. Kan ayah nanya nih. Ayah bilang, sebut lah, nggak usah sebut nama ya. Hey, have you done your homework? Wait, I'm still at my lesson. Later I will contact you.
Kebalikannya.
Itu ngajak berantem. Nyari ribut. Oke, kita bikin dulu ya number 2 ya. Number 47A. Ini inequality. Ya udah, the denominator is still different, right? Times 2 times 2. Okay, so over 4, 2x plus x, 3x. Beres. Right, and then less than equal to negative 9. Ya kan? Udah, tinggal over 1 kan. Cross multiply. Okay, do the cross multiplication. Less than equals to negative 36, right? So x equals negative 36. Oh, equals no. X is less than equal to negative 36 over 3. Simple ya, ini gampang. Oke, udah. Oke, beres ya. Our lesson done today. So, ini bukan homework, tapi ini buat latihan aja. And you still have 30 minutes to do the homework. Don't give me any silly reasons to not to do your homework.
I'm only waiting for you to open it from yesterday.
Oh, you tinggal submit.
Iya.
Ya udah, kalau yang udah selesai tinggal submit, you tinggal bikin apa namanya? Yang homeworknya coba tanya-tanya aja boleh.
Nyalain. Padahal kerjain tugas saya ayo.
Oke.
Tugas kita masih banyak ya.